Python is widely used in finance due to its versatility, allowing for data analysis, automation, modeling, and visualization. The language boasts an extensive range of libraries specifically designed for financial analysis, such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Additionally, Python benefits from a robust community and abundant resources, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced professionals. Once your environment is set up, you can start performing basic operations in Python. Use Pandas to import and manipulate data, enabling efficient data handling and transformation. NumPy allows you to perform numerical calculations and mathematical operations with ease. For data visualization, Matplotlib is an excellent library for creating various plots and charts to represent your financial data visually. Google Colab is a free cloud-based platform that allows you to run Python code without any installation. It offers access to powerful computing resources and makes it easy to share and collaborate on projects. Key libraries to use include Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical operations, and Matplotlib for data visualization. To start using Google Colab, open it through your Google Drive or directly at colab.research.google.com. Create a new notebook by selecting New Notebook. You can install essential libraries by entering pip, install Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib in a code cell, and running it. This simple setup allows you to begin your financial analysis with Python.